Alkalinity is important to the health of your pool. If you balance total alkalinity, you will have less fluctuation in your pH levels. It is recommended that you test alkalinity at least once per week before testing the pH. First, you'll need a testing kit. To collect a water sample, hold your container upside down so the opening is facing the pool. Then, lower the container into the water 18 inches. A rough approximation is up to your elbow. Turn the container right side up, making sure you're getting your sample away from the jets. Once you have your water sample, add 2 drops of sodium thiosulfate and swirl the tube to mix. Then, add the second reagent, 5 drops of the total alkalinity indicator reagent. Swirl the tube to mix everything together. The water mixture should turn green. Now add the third item, sulfuric acid reagent. Put this reagent in 1 drop at a time. Make sure to count each drop and swirl the mixture after each drop. When the tube turns from green to red, stop adding drops. To determine the total alkalinity level, multiply the sulfuric acid drops you added by 10. This will give you the total alkalinity of your pool in parts per million. The alkalinity of your pool should be between 80 and 100 parts per million. If alkalinity is low, below 80 parts per million, add sodium bicarbonate to the water. If alkalinity is high, above 100 parts per million, add muriatic acid or dry acid, sodium bisulfate. And as always, be sure to follow the product instructions and safety data sheets.